it's Lavz here. Welcome to my channel. Andito pala tayo sa Costa Brava. It is one part of the Spain. It's a very cute town. We've been traveling pala. Galing kami ng Andorra. From Andorra, we traveled 3 hours to this small town nila. At kadadating lang namin sa hotel. At sobrang ganda ng room namin, guys. And like, the view is so perfect. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung main door natin. And then from here, meron tayong parang small hallway here. Ayan siya. On this side, ito na yung toilet. So, ito yung toilet. Oh, bongga, may weighing scale sila. And, oh, kahit maliit siya, guys. Actually, the bathroom itself is not that big. Pahaba siya. Pero, lahat ng everything you need is complete. Meron pa siyang panglalaki at pambabae na toilet bowl. Napakabongga. Kompleto. Ayan siya. And then, so labas tayo. Meron pala silang ganito here. Ito yung view namin sa labas. So, nilagay nila ditong frame. Meron silang malaking, super laking mirror here. And then this side, closet. And then safety box. Yan lang yung mga coverlo lang. Then from here, yung papuntang bed. So, ito na yung bed namin, guys. Sobrang lakas maka-summer yung vibe ng bed nila. Kasi blue and white yung theme ng color nila. Meron silang binigay na bathtub at saka sleeper. From here, meron tayong free ganito, coffee and so on. And then, TV nila is here. And then, meron silang upuan again, chair again in here, which is so nice. So, each side, meron siyang ganito, parang table, bedside table. Super ganda, guys. What's this? Fridge nila. So, from this TV side, and then, ito na siya yung view namin, guys. Oh my God. We have a balcony in here. Medyo chilly siya kasi winter, hindi siya summer, guys. So, yan. Ito, meron kaming dalawang upuan here. Oh, wow. Hindi ko alam nabibigyan ba ng justice ang camera, pero it's super, super nice. So, meron kami mga kapitbahay na balcony here. At sa ilalim, meron maraming upuan to chill. Meron din dito sa ilalim ng puno. Ayan. Meron mga taong pupunta dito, naglalakad dito sa area na to, guys. Siguro sobrang ganda dito pag summer. Oh, see? Sobrang malamig lang yung hangin. Are they sunbathing or something? First time namin dito sa area na to, I mean sa place na to. So far so good. Nagustuhan namin yung small town nila. So, ito yung hotel area namin, guys. Yung hotel area namin is in front siya ng beach. Pero walang nagsiswimming ngayon kasi windy siya. Medyo chilly yung hangin. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung hotel namin. That's our hotel over there. Ito siya. Hotel everything. And then here. So let's go to the island. Island over here. Wow, this is so nice. super good.